Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing. It's a limited edition and it's one of 3 new releases from beautybay. I have got the trending wrapped edit. It costs £60. It has a value of 231 and it contains 14 products. Then you've got the HAIRCARE wrapped edit, which costs £45, has a value of 182 and contains 12 items. Then you've got the skincare wrapped edit, which contains 17 products. It costs £50 and it has a value of £189. If you're interested in this one or you'd like to take a look at the others, then you'll find a link down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. Now, beautybay are renowned for having amazing beauty boxes jam-packed full of products. Out of all the limited edition boxes you get on Lookfantastic, Cult Beauty, Asos and other websites, I'm sure beautybay is the one that has the most products in their limited editions. That's been my experience anyway. So I can't remember exactly what is in mine, but the reason I went for it is because I preferred it over the other two, and that's all I can tell you. So let's get on to showing you then what's inside. This is the most expensive one, but the fact it's £60 and has a value of 231, that's a really great saving, isn't it? But as we all know, it all depends on the products. Look, there's loads of things in there. Okay, starting off with Starface. These are Hydra Star and Tea Tree Pimple Patches, and there's 32 in here. So as always, whenever I choose beauty boxes, I have my daughter in mind as well. I think, okay, what would I like? And is there anything for my daughter? She's 18 and she loves these. She's got lots of different coloured ones. She's got green and yellow ones, maybe from the same brand, I don't know, but she does wear them a lot. So I thought this would be perfect for her. I have different type of acne to her. Her acne tends to be quite small little red lumps on the skin, and quite a few of them, or else mine tend to be, whenever I get a spot, I've got one come in there, it tends to be really sore cysts. Then they're a lump under the skin that gets red and sore, and oh, it's painful. I'm on medication, they are under control, but I am still getting the odd one now and again. So for me, these don't really do much to my skin. I've found the only thing to really help is the micro dart ones, the zit sticker ones, which are amazing. I know my daughter loves that, so she'll be having that. I've noticed that there's a few products in here from beautybay's own brand, By Beauty, and we've got a cleansing balm. This is a chamomile and oat lipid cleansing balm. This is full size, and I've received this a few times as well in their beauty boxes, and it's a really nice one. There's one currently down in my bathroom. So it comes with a little spatula, and there'll be no sniff testing, unfortunately. It contains chamomile, which offers soothing properties as part of a complex to help calm stressed and inflamed skin, and oat lipid, rich in ceramides to replenish the skin while cleansing. I've got 2 products from So. They're both lip products. Let Them Talk, it's a lip shimmer. It's a gloss in If You Say No. So it's a silvery gloss. Let's see if you'll be able to see anything. Yeah, maybe a nice as a lip topper on top of your lipstick. Give a little bit of shine. Yeah, I think it's really pretty. It's not over the top. That's something I would wear. Let Them Talk again, but this is a gloss in Can't Cope. So we've got a tinted one here. No, it's a full coverage pigment, high shine finish, non-stick formula, long lasting. Oh, I like the sound of that. Oh, look at the colour. That is really lovely. Yeah, I love that. That is really nice. I wasn't expecting it to be so pigmented. But yeah, the fact that it's long lasting as well. Yeah, I love that. Then we got a mascara from Babe Lash. Oh, it's not mascara. It's not. It's a lash serum. Essential lash serum. 88% or longer looking lashes within 6 weeks. Biotin and amino acid infused. And there's a 3-month supply there. I've just come off the phone from speaking to my doctor, actually. I'm on a medication called spironolactone for my PCOS. It's a androgen blocker. So basically it helps me with my acne. It's supposed to help with hair loss and excess hair on the body and all the PCOS sort of symptoms that we get that way. Well, anyway, I'm on quite a low dose. It's a long story, I won't go into it because obviously you haven't come here to listen to that. But I was talking to him, I was saying my hair loss is really bad. I'm noticing when I'm editing my videos, like my parting is becoming wider. And he asked me, oh, have you lost hair on your eyelashes or eyebrows? I'm like, what? I've got very, very sparse eyebrows, but they have been for many years. I just put it down to overplucking when I was younger, but also because I've got an underactive thyroid and I was diagnosed for a couple of years before, while I was still having a lot of symptoms. It took a long while to get diagnosed. And I said, my eyelashes, they're always breaking, they're thin, they're sparse. And he goes, oh, I think you've got something, I don't know what it's called, but it's FFA, and it's a type of alopecia. So I need to look into that. I've literally just not long spoken to him. I had a telephone appointment. So he says I need to see a trichologist, which isn't private. Will cost me about £165 for a consultation, but if they diagnose me with that or whatever is causing my hair loss, then if I get a diagnosis of some sorts, then I can go back to him and he can treat me. So £165 though for a consultation. I thought I'd mention it because that might be a reason why my eyelashes don't grow, and I've given up on my eyebrows years ago. But yeah, apply serum in the PM just above your upper eyelashes, eyelash line on clean, dry skin. One dip of the wand is enough for both eyes. And then you just allow 1 to 2 minutes to dry. And you can use it 2-3 times a week. I haven't seen this one before. This is Sculpt Tan Tanning Contour Stick. This really excites me. Is this literally a contour stick that gives you a fake tan but doesn't wash off? That would be brilliant. Forever Sundays. See, I can't remember half the things that are in this box. I don't remember reading about this anyway. Allowed to completely dry before putting on clothes. It's gotta be, isn't it? It's gotta be. So I won't be testing it out. Blend with a brush for a perfectly sculpted look. There's not much information about it. Oh, look! It's literally like Charlotte Tilbury. The beauty wands. I really like the sound of that. Let's see the colour then. Yeah, how do we know the colour's going to suit us? It won't be suitable for all skin types. So, oh my flipping word. Look at that. That's black. Right, I've got a wipe here, which I was using to wipe off the lipstick. That's better. That's a very olive looking tan. Like, yeah. I won't describe what it looks like, but you can probably guess. I'm going on holiday soon, so I don't want to test it out before then. If you'd like to see me testing this out afterwards, when I come home, I'll wait for my fake tan that I will be applying before I go away to actually go first. Then, yeah, let me know. I'd be interested in seeing what that looks like if I was a viewer. The colour is a bit, ooh, but we'll see. I have got here UK Brow Sculpt. So, Brow Sculpt helps you achieve bold brows and the perfect eyebrow shape. Oh, I just dropped it. Oh, look at that wand. Ah. So is it sticky then? Yeah, it is quite tacky. So there's that. Next up, we've got a blush. And this is from Revolution. It's a liquid blush with vitamin E in shade Peach Filter. I'll just get the wrapping off. Can you see that better? My ring light is broken, so I've got one of these. Can you see? It's a little light. Whoop, there. To help me. I am gutted about the ring light. Ring lights are quite pricey. That's a pretty colour, as always. I've put loads on my hand there, but let's blend it out. Oh, do you know what? That's nice. Yeah, so a nice orangey coral shade there. This is Blush Drip Drip made by Mitchell. And this is cool. Look at the colour. The colour is silver. It's a liquid blush. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't put a load of that over my cheeks. But very pretty to put on top of your cheekbones. I'm not really into the metallic highlight look. It can be very pretty. But yeah, it's unique, a bit different, and it's quite cool. We got LH Cosmetics, and this is a powder puff. And it's a little triangle one. Really nice look. You've got a little pouch in there so you can put your fingers right in there. and tap your makeup. Yeah, this is a nice one. We normally see large ones in this size, so it's nice to have a little mini one like this. I do love them. Tapping in my powder. So no, happy with that. Then we've got another product from Beauty Bay's own brand, by Beauty Bay, and this is a hydrating primer, and there's 30 mils here. Oh, I don't know if to sneeze or not. Oh, and this is Jelly Grip. And I got this in a recent box of theirs, or even their advent calendar. It might have been in there. Grip your makeup to your skin while hydrating and soothing with this primer. With a gel texture that melts into the skin, this hyaluronic acid infused blurring primer helps to prolong the wear of makeup. Just a few more to go. We've got Delicia Drench. This is Sol de Janeiro, and this is a body butter. It's vanilla, plum and sandalwood. Why do I think violet? Maybe it's just the colour. Vanilla, plum and sandalwood. There's 25 mils in here. This is beautiful. I've literally just unboxed it in a different beauty box. I can't remember which one I did now. I think it was a Cult Beauty one. One of the new Christmas edits. And look how thick that is. Oh, I love it. There. Look. Oh, it's so nice. And because I'm not feeling very well at the moment, my sense of smell is gone. So I don't know. Oh, it's very subtle. I can hardly smell anything. I hate that. But yeah, at least my hands feel nice and soft. Yeah, it's a beautiful cream. I like that one. We have got a makeup brush cleanser, and this is ISO Clean. Oh, it's a sponge cleanser, it says. So the makeup brush one is a clear liquid that you spray, but this one is it looks like a shower gel. It says scan for instructions on the back there. So yeah, so a cleanser for your beauty sponges. So the last item is an eyeshadow palette, and this is Nimia, the palette by Nikki Tutorials. I have yet to try any of her makeup, so I thought this would be quite exciting, although I've got to be honest, colours are not, they're not like wow amazing, although saying that, look at the shades there. I do love a blue and an orange. Oh, I like this. It's a little booklet and it tells you, hopefully you can see, look one, it tells you what to use, how to do it and how to achieve. Oh, I like this. Oh, I love that one. Look, isn't that beautiful? Very similar. This is what it looks like. Got a mirror. And there's the palette. Oh my gosh, is that a navy? I love a navy. And these two together, wow, stunning. If you've used any of her makeup, please let me know what you think. Oh, look how pigmented that is. That's oh. Right, I'm just grabbing, I'll just show you straight away. They are so pigmented. The shades look stunning. The formula looks amazing on my hand. I can't imagine Nikki would produce a really crap palette. I can't imagine it. Yeah, initially I saw this palette and I was like, okay. It's not the best colour coordination, but then saying that, it's got lots of different colours in there to mix and match. And those two being my favourite. I cannot wait to create something with those two in particular. So yeah, I am chuffed with it, and especially because they just look so good on my hand. So there you go, those are all the products inside. I forgot which one I got now. The Trending Wrapped Beauty Edit from Beauty Bay. 14 products in total, £231, and it retails for £60. I'm really chuffed with it. I think there's some really gorgeous products in there. I love the fact that it is jam-packed, and as usual with Beauty Bay boxes as well, a lot of them contain just full-size items. Delicia Drench Body Butter, that's not full size. Maybe, I'd imagine that to be full size because you only need a little bit to clean your sponges. But yeah, everything else looks full size, so it's only this one. So yeah, so I'd love to know what you think. Did you get this box for yourself, or did you get one of the others? Or are you thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear it as always, so please comment down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.